How to manage autoplay video previews on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage autoplay video previews on Google Mobile. First we gonna do is go to Google and then click this one. Click on your profile here in the top corner and then click this one, settings, and then click this one, general, and then go down and you will find this one here, autoplay video previews, and here you can manage it never or play on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and mobile data. And that's it. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.